Alright, so I had a tooth that cracked, and because of that it had to be extracted, and then I had to get an implant. It actually came loose and fell out. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So there's a little plug in the top, and that's to cover the thing for the screw. So they tighten it down with kind of like a torque wrench or something to apply the right amount of torque. As you can see, the screw is just loose inside like this. It can move up and down, and because of that, it came loose because I like to chew ice. I know that's bad for your teeth, but I don't know, I can't help it. I like chewing ice. But anyways, so it's kind of amazing how they make it look so real. I know my nails are long and kind of gross. I use them as tools to take apart computers, so yeah, you can talk about it if you want, but I'm not going to cut them other than trimming them to keep them a comfortable length for working on computers. Anyways, this isn't about my nails, it's about the tooth or the implant. You can actually see how it's like flat on the sides from rubbing against the other teeth, I guess, or I guess they shape it like that to get it to fit well, and how they do the teeth. The dentist was saying, because it came loose before a little bit, this time it held up a lot better, but the dentist was saying maybe it was rubbing against my bottom teeth. I mean, maybe, but I don't think that would... I feel like it's more because I chew ice. But anyways, you can see the bottom part, it's like this hex shape, so I guess that's how it keeps it from like spinning around. Kind of interesting. I don't know how they made the hex shape into my jaw, but yeah. And then also, I think the reason it's coming loose, another reason, is because the area where they put this tooth, they said my sinus is somewhat low, so they couldn't drill as far. I'm guessing that's why. And yeah, but here you can see basically this just prevents stuff from getting in there, and then they cover that after they tighten the tooth. They use like a torque wrench, and they just torque it down to the right torque spec. And yeah, not really much else, but it's kind of interesting to see up close what it looks like. I don't know how often people get to see this kind of thing. Like, when do you ever get to see a tooth implant that's not inside of a mouth? So yeah, basically this would be screwed into your jaw, and then you would just have that tooth there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I know it's random, and it's kind of interesting how they make the color pretty close to like the actual tooth. Like, I don't know if they adjust it if your teeth are super white or if your teeth are super stained, but it does match my actual teeth color pretty well. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.